when you do backward tap, go, try to do few times this transfer of your action. Like you maybe probably some of you know rock turn. So rock action. Rock action, it means here's action. So try when you do backward tap, slow, try this action. Only try, okay? And we do next time some new figure, okay? Also can try when you do, we try backward tap with this action, and you try, can also please do this way. So it means to right side and also cross-tap. Okay? So this is one side and the rock action, and next this side and rock action. Okay? Okay, this is your homework. What will be next? Probably it's only for your understanding, what we want. We want to use this for first. This will be from our beginning. We have 4 walks, but with lunge ending. Then we create a rock turn with backward tap. Then we know reverse turn, and from this action become 5 step, this, and we know promenade lean. And then we have close promenade. Then we have reverse turn. And then we have backward tap, as was today. So this first part will be for your future. Okay, if somebody understands some rock action, something, can try, can to do some things. Okay? Now we show you this part, like new part with music, and you can